between watering, weeding, harvesting, lawn care. Sometimes it'd be great if you could clone yourself, but with a simple gadget like 10 bucks, you can. It'll even save you water. It's like cloning yourself. It lets you harvest green beans or deadhead while you water. You know, I use this cheapo $10 one to manage the drip irrigation on my perennial beds. You've seen me use the digital one on my vegetable garden irrigation system, which for what I'm using it for, I could probably use this one, but I already had that one in the garage, so I just used it. There are also other more expensive multi-zone, multi-hose models, but I don't have a need for that in my garden, but maybe you do. Not only do they free you up to do other tasks while you're watering, but they also shut off, ensuring that you don't forget. Unlike that time someone forgot to turn off the rain barrels and 150 gallons flowed out in one afternoon. And while the timer runs, I can get other jobs done, or just take a break. Or even just setting a timer using your phone with a reminder to turn the hose off, that also can be helpful. But I like the timers because I know when they turn off, the water's off. So I hope that helped, gives you an idea. It's a small gadget with big payout. How do you manage your watering? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. That's all for now.